Hello, everyone. This is the Foundations of Engineering weekly class session. This is February 19th at 4 o'clock. What I wanted to do first was go through the assignments that are due next week. As you can see, you guys are turning in the 18-week, the AB. You're doing the cardboard chair project, and you will have turned in the first couple parts of it. And then you need to go back and do the cardboard challenge, the results, basically do the presentation, have the discussion. That's how you're going to be sharing what you did with each other, and I'll be talking about it, and then take your quiz. Well, I'll get there eventually. Oops. Okay, my apologies there. All right, 16-week assignments, you're doing the whole thing. This is by Wednesday of next week. You're doing the proposal. Basically, you're understanding the problem, working through with the unit, building it, verifying it, doing a presentation on your results, having a discussion, and then doing a quiz on the unit. The 12-week AB session, you have a lot more, and welcome to class. Your assignments are due on Wednesday next week. So you're going to do the Introduce Yourself discussion posting, and please submit these forms. Send me an email saying hello to me. I really enjoy talking with you. And then you do the first Career Tech Ed unit, which is pretty straightforward. I've not covered these in any detail because they're pretty straightforward on there, but the quiz is the thing. Review before you take the quiz. It's a long one. It's not an easy one. The Intro to Engineering unit, you do the career matching assignment and the worksheet assignment, and you do a research project on it. It's up to you. Basically, you're picking a career. You're doing a discussion on sustainable engineering and taking your quiz. Remember, before you take a quiz, that you go back and review the challenge questions. And then also you're getting into the history and evolution, and you're doing the timeline research assignment, and the discussion on most influential key innovator. Then the following week you have the rest of the unit due. If you can work forward, I recommend it. This Technology Before I Was Born project takes planning because basically you're interviewing somebody and you have to record it, so you have to get that all coordinated up front, okay? Now for the B group, 18-week, you've been working manufacturing, you're finishing up manufacturing next week. You're doing a discussion and the quiz. Tomorrow the end effector is due. So I hope you'll be able to watch the information that I'm giving on that and contact me as you have questions. 16-week, you're just about at the same point. You will be after next week, okay? Do the social significance. Technology is just a research assignment where I'm asking some questions about a technology. And you get to choose the technologies, which ones you want to answer about, and then put it in the format that I specify, please. You're going to build a project. Basically, it's a gripper. All of the instructions is given, plus you have a link. It's a NASA project, so you have a link from NASA for that. You got the discussion careers in manufacturing, where you're looking at different careers and you're looking at one for yourself, and then you're taking the quiz. Once again, it's a big unit, so look at the challenge questions first, and then the power and energy technologies for the 14-week. Students, you're doing the mousetrap car project, and that's a lot of fun. I've had some great results from students on that. Doing the energy type worksheet, and that's a Venn diagram and questions. Doing the discussion, nuclear or not, basically doing some research and making a poster where you are posting your opinion about nuclear energy And then the following week is the quiz. And once again, before you take any quiz, make sure you review the challenge questions. And then the last group that we have is the B 12 week. And just like the AB, you got your introduce yourself discussion posting, and you've got these other forms to submit. And then you're jumping into communications technologies, and near and dear to my heart. So you're going to look at the most significant technologies and make a discussion posting about that and respond to others. Doing a scavenger hunt on frequencies and wavelengths with regard to the FCC and the applications for different assigned frequencies. The information age privacy discussion and safety is very pertinent to you, pertinent to all of us. Hopefully you haven't been affected by that yet. And then the harder thing in this is probably this one, which is the project. It's a virtual dissection of a communication technology. I'm giving you a choice to work on in that. Basically, which ones to choose. I've given you a big list. It's called a virtual dissection because I'm wanting you to basically dissect the technology just like you would a frog. Now, I'm not wanting you to get down to the cellular level, down to that detail, but look at the systems involved in it and see what it takes to make the thing work and be able to name the systems and generally how they work. And then once again, you have a quiz. Review your challenge questions before you take the quiz. And that would be it. Thank you.